Today, I will show you the easiest way to zoom through text intro. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe my channel. Open a project in CreateStudio and keep the background black as it is. Drag a text element into the canvas. Change the text font and size. Duplicate the text and adjust the text animation duration. Modify the first text as I am doing. Add fade in motion in both texts and change the preset setting as I am doing. Group both texts. Open the group and again group them individually. Add out scale up motion in both text groups and change the zoom and easing option under the preset setting as I am doing. Let's preview the text animation. It looks nice, right? Lastly, add another scale-up animation in the main group. Preview the final text animation once again. Our text animation is done. Let's download it. Start a new project. Upload the text animation. Drag both videos on canvas. Keep the text animation in the above layer. Select the text animation video. Go to the blend mode. Select multiply. As simple as that, and you are done. If you wish, you play with more animation options available inside the CreateStudio software. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you in the next tutorial.